Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this portable screen monitor. We did attach it to our Nintendo Switch to get that going, and everything is just easily connected. Not that big of a deal. And yeah, some might wonder, why would you need a monitor on your Switch? Isn't that the whole point of having the Switch, that you don't have to have your screen with you because it has a built-in one? Yes, true, but I rather have something that's a little bit bigger, especially when there's more people and you can just take that along in the car or camping or something, and can just start a little session with your friends that way easily. And yeah, performance-wise, it's pretty decent, or good actually. I like the colors, they're pretty vibrant. I like the brightness, which is completely fine. It has some built-in speakers. They aren't the best. That's probably the downside to it, but obviously that's pretty, yeah, acceptable though, because after all, this is a screen and not a cool entertainment device in that case. Otherwise, for the pricing, definitely not bad. No performance issues. It is pretty fluently with the screen itself. You will see that in a sec when the whole first cutscene comes on for Smash Brothers. Um, Everything is just going smoothly, no lagging, nothing like that. Colors look great, nothing wrong there. And yeah, all in all, pretty decent piece here. And I have to say, for the pricing, you can't really complain. This whole thing is pretty light, which is really nice if you take that along, and you don't want to carry something super heavy with you. And yeah, easily to get going. As you see, just cable, get some energy on, connect your device, and then you're good to go. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, feel free to check it out yourself. And I think we can call that a day. And I will see you around in the next video, you guys. So take care. Until the next time, I will see you around. So take care. My name is Badger, and bye bye.